Welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover the sources and the uses section in the ARGUS portfolio model. In a typical investment, the sources of capital consist of debt and equity. Uses of capital consist of the purchase price and the various closing costs. I'm going to input $85 million for the purchase price of the portfolio, $80,000 for the environmental site assessment, $250,000 for the legal expenses, $80,000 for the appraisal. The mortgage brokerage fees is 0.25% of the senior debt amount, $1.2 million for the land transfer tax. Mezzanine closing cost is 2% of the mezzanine amount. $2.5 million for rent improvement and leasing commissions reserve. $2 million for capital expenditure reserve. Reserves are the funds put aside for future uses. This topic will be covered in detail in the other assumptions section. I have finished the uses. Let's go back to the sources. I will put $59.5 million for the senior debt, which is roughly 65% of the total uses. $8.5 million for the mezzanine. This leaves us total equity of $23 million. The general partner will contribute 10% of the equity, and the limited partner will contribute the remaining 90%. Finally, I need to check if the total sources match the total uses. The total sources are $91 million, and the total uses are $91 million. I'm all set with the sources and uses section. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.